Hello everyone, how are you everyone? I am Arif. Today I will show you another video. In this video, I show you how to insert Google AdSense code between your WordPress website between head. Uh, First, you have to go connect site area. Here is I already open AdSense account. I think you also open your account already. So I refresh this phase and now click on Let's Go. After coming this page, here is you have to copy this code for review to AdSense approve AdSense earning to Google. Okay, so you copy this code first. um, uh, Here is showing between head. You have to copy this text. After that you can apply. So let's go in your WordPress login area. So login now, put your password and username, then login. After login this, you have to go themes area, appearance. You go theme file editor as shown in video. So you have to find a header area. So here is the header area. You can see here right side header.php. So you have to find now head head tag. So I can find now. Here is head area. So you have to click on enter right now. Here is one head, bottom one head. So you click on enter and paste this code from your Google AdSense. Paste this code. I paste this code right now. Now you click on update file. Here you click on update file. File updated successfully here. So now go back to your AdSense account and you tick mark here. I have placed the code. So then you click on next and now connect your site. Now request review. We review the site to be checked. Now request review. So here is complete. You can see thanks for connecting the site. They will confirm you after getting AdSense approved. You have to wait maybe 3 to 7 days for review accept. They will inform you by email in your email AdSense email account. They will email you for this and you will get a confirmation message from them. Is this website is eligible for AdSense earning or not? After that there will be showing ad in your website and you can also add payments method here. If you like this video, hopefully you will subscribe my channel for more videos in future. I will try to give you more update about AdSense or anything else, more tricks and tips for in another video. So hopefully this video will help you and you will subscribe my channel and like for more videos. I am new, please forgive my mistake.